All right, so we got SS 103, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 992 square feet. When you walk into the living room. Huge living room, lots of light. You got a wood burning fireplace. Right over here connects to the dining room. Full-size dining room. This can fit a large table for a family of 4 or more. And then we got a kitchen here. All the necessary appliances. An extra window again. This layout's really nice because it has this extra large pantry. All the cabinet space above the fridge as well as under the sink. When you walk back into the hallway, lots of closet space. You'll have a full-size washer dryer with storage space above. And then off to the left, you'll have a coat closet. You can put vacuum cleaner, coat, shoes. There's extra shelving for shoes as well. First bathroom on the right. Lots of counter space in here. Built-in shelves in the shower. And then this is the second bedroom over here. Standard closet. And now we'll go check out the master bedroom. This is a good sized bedroom. It can fit a king size bed. You get 2 big windows in here. This is also located right next to the playground, so if you have kiddos, you can watch and play right through your bedroom window there. This layout's really nice because it has a full walk-in closet. And the vanity's on the outside, so 2 people can be getting ready at the same time. And yeah, this is a really great layout, lots of space, natural lighting. All the ground floor apartments will have fenced-in backyards. So if you have kiddos or a dog, it's a great room to run around. Of course, this is a beautiful property, lots of trees. Back patio will have a storage closet. And of course, if you're on the 2nd or 3rd floor, you'll have a balcony with the same storage closet.